Student, please subscribe my channel. Press like and subscribe my channel. Okay. Order of acidity among fluoroform, chloroform, bromoform and iodoform. Fluoroform, chloroform, bromoform and iodoform. So which is least acidic, which is most acidic, and according to decreasing order of this acidity we have to arrange it. So least acidic, I have mentioned that CHI3 is least acidic and CHCl3 is most acidic. I will give you the reason behind it. So chloroform is more acidic than fluoroform. First I will explain that, and after that chloroform is more acidic than fluoroform. Fluoroform is more acidic than bromoform and iodoform. Okay, because here in case of all of them will lose one H positive. After losing H positive, they will form this conjugate base here: CCl3, CF3 1 negative, CBr3 1 negative, and CI3 1 negative. Each carry a lone pair of electron over here, and here this electron which is present in the conjugate base will be, it is placed in p orbital, and it will donate this electron to empty d orbital of Cl. See, I have to make like this. Okay, here this is Cl, Cl, Cl. Everywhere you can write on C3 bond here, F, F, F. Okay, here I write on like this, Br, Br, Br. All these are conjugate base, carry one negative charge, each carry one negative charge, and I3 like this, I. Write on I over here, I. Okay, all these are conjugate base. So here we will see that effective back bonding will take place in case of this CCl3 1 negative. So effective back bonding because of small size of Cl. So that is why this is more stable, highly stable, and since the conjugate base is highly stable, so it will be most acidic among all of them. And after that CF3 follows, because CF3 F is more highly electronegative as compared to Cl, Br and I. Here back bonding overpower the inductive effect, that is why CHCl3 is more acidic. Okay, back bonding overpower inductive effect, but in this case lack of this back bonding because of the bigger size of Br and I, effective back bonding is not occurring at that time. Inductive effect operating, and CHF3 is more acidic than CHBr3 and CHI3. Clear to you? So in this way we can say that all of them are from conjugate base. This is most acidic, and CI3 1 negative least acidic. So Cl3 conjugate base left after the removal of proton. Chloroform stabilized due to the presence of this